Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're going to be talking about Venmo. Is it safe to use? Well, that's a great question, and I'm here to give you the answer. Before we get started, I want to be clear that I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing my own personal experience and research with you. So, take what I say with a grain of salt and do your own research before making any decisions. Now, let's get started. What is Venmo? Venmo is a peer-to-peer payment app that allows you to send and receive money from friends and family. It's a great way to split bills, pay for a meal, or just send someone some money. How does Venmo work? Venmo is very easy to use. All you need to do is create an account and link your bank account or debit card. Then, you can start sending and receiving money. Is Venmo safe? Yes, Venmo is safe to use. It uses SSL encryption to protect your data, and it has a number of security features in place to prevent fraud. However, there are a few things you should keep in mind when using Venmo. Only send money to people you know and trust. Be careful about sharing your personal information. Monitor your account activity regularly. If you're concerned about security, you can enable two-factor authentication. This will add an extra layer of security to your account. What are the benefits of using Venmo? There are a number of benefits to using Venmo. It's free to use. It's easy to set up and use. It's a great way to split bills with friends and family. You can use it to send and receive money from anyone in the U.S. What are the drawbacks of using Venmo? There are a few drawbacks to using Venmo. It's not as widely accepted as other payment methods. You can only send money to people who have a Venmo account. There are fees for sending money to businesses. So, is Venmo safe to use? Yes, it is. However, there are a few things you should keep in mind when using it. Overall, I think Venmo is a great app that can be a lot of fun and convenient. I would definitely recommend it to anyone looking for a way to send and receive money easily. If you're using Venmo to split a bill, make sure everyone agrees on the amount before you send the money. If you're using Venmo to pay for a service, make sure you get a receipt from the seller. Be careful about using Venmo for business transactions. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.